G'day. So a bit of an update on the preparations for painting. So it would appear that when relying on dope to get the surface tension, to get the skin tension, yeah, it's not a good idea. It doesn't work to put a solvent-based paint over it. So I just mixed up some 2-pack primer and the skin has gone slack and it's not recovering. So that's quite disappointing, but not the end of the world. I just have to change tactics regarding the painting. Anyway, I'll live and learn. I think what happens is things like seed coverall, for instance, is seconite. I think it's pronounced seconite. So it's a different material, and it does all the shrinking, and the dope is a non-tautening dope, and it just seals the fabric. Whereas this used a tautening dope, and then when I put the solvent-based paint onto it, it affected the dope and it's gone slack, and now it won't come back. So when going down the road of using 100% polyester covering, just be ready for the fact that you may have to use a water-based paint on it. Interesting. Anyway, I'll ponder that some more. Over and out.